Hello traders, hope you're all doing well this day. We are going to be breaking down how to install custom indicators on MT5 in just a few minutes, okay, in this video. So if you've ever struggled to set up indicators on MetaTrader 5, this guide is for you. Now, before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading tutorials, okay? Let us dive right into it. Okay, now the first step is downloading the custom indicator that you want to use. Now, these indicators come in the .ex5 or .mq5 file formats and can be found on different platforms. Okay, you can find them in trading forums or indicator marketplaces or developer websites, so just make sure to download from a trusted source. Okay, that is very important, to avoid downloading a malware or downloading a faulty script and all of that. So just make sure that any site you want to download your custom indicator from is a reputable site. Ensure that it's a trusted source. Okay, do not just download from a random source. If need be, you can ensure that you do a little research on the particular site that you want to download from, just to verify that that site is reliable and trustworthy. Okay, that site is not a scam, just to be on the safer side. Okay, it's very important. Okay, and then once you have your file, once you have downloaded, I already have a lot of custom indicators, right? So there is no need for me to start going through the process of downloading one again. But if you really want to see me download a fresh custom indicator for the purpose of this video, then that's fine. Let's just use the MQL5 marketplace, because this is actually this is a very popular marketplace for downloading a whole lot of products. In fact, for doing a lot of things, the MQL5 marketplace. So for the purpose of this video, I am just going to download a custom indicator right here for you, okay, for you to see. And okay, let us just download this. All right, there are other sites, there are other reputable sites that you can use, okay, in case if you can't find the particular indicator you're looking for on the MQL5 marketplace. But let's just use this. Okay, now I'm going to download this and then I'm going to just open it straight up. All right, so basically once you are done downloading the file, okay, you have to ensure that the file format is correct. Okay, we have MQL5 source file. All right, so I'm just gonna get this. Okay, it seems like there are actually two indicators, the Ichimoku oscillator and the Ichimoku calculator, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. So you copy the file from the folder you just downloaded, and then you go back to your MT5. You click on file in the top left corner, you click on open data folder. This opens the main MT5 directory. Inside, you open the MQL5 folder, then you locate and open the indicators folder. So this is actually where you're going to place your downloaded indicator file. You can just go to examples and you place it there. Okay, seems like I already downloaded this Ichimoku oscillator before. In fact, I've recorded a video about this indicator, so you might want to check it out. Okay, so I'm just going to replace. All right, the next thing for you to do is to restart your MT5 terminal. Okay, you can close this folder now, and then you will have to restart your MT5 terminal. Okay, you have to exit it and open it again. All right, we have to open it again. Okay, it is necessary to restart your terminal so that the changes can be applied. In order to apply the changes, you have to restart your terminal. Then you view your navigator. All right, you expand the indicator section. If it is not expanded already, just expand the indicator section, and then you find your custom indicator in the list. So the indicator we downloaded was the Ichimoku oscillator, right? All right, okay, and the Ichimoku calculator. Okay, so let's just add this. All right, so we actually have a lot of custom indicators. Maybe I can just add a few. Okay, this seems to be the same with this. I think I added the calculator, but it seems like it's the same thing with it. Ichimoku indicator. All right, now let's just look for another custom indicator and add to the chart. All right, okay, let's add the zigzag. Just drag and drop. It's very easy to add the custom indicator. Just ensure that in case there is an option, make sure to allow DLL imports. All right, let me just remove the Ichimoku. I guess a lot of us are already familiar with the Ichimoku indicator. The Ichimoku indicator, even though there seems to be a custom indicator for it, but I think a lot of platforms have the Ichimoku inbuilt. Yes, the Ichimoku indicator is actually available. The Ichimoku Kinko Hayo is available as, you know, an inbuilt indicator. It doesn't even need to be a custom, but it seems like the custom one, the custom indicator seems to have a, you know, a little just a little difference or something. Anyways, we're not here to talk about Ichimoku. Okay, let me just remove the Ichimoku indicators. All right, so let's just use the zigzag as an example of a custom indicator. So whatever custom indicator you downloaded and you want to add to your chart, you just drag it from your navigator and drop it on your chart. Okay, all right, at this point your custom indicator should appear and be fully functional on your MT5 chart. It should be fully functional. But if your custom indicator is not showing up or working correctly, you can try these fixes. Okay, if your indicator is not appearing in the navigator panel, you can restart your MT5 and check it again. All right, then if the indicator is on the chart but not displaying correctly, you can open, you know, the settings of the indicator. You can open the input tabs and maybe adjust the settings if necessary. Ensure that you know, if the option for DLL imports is, let me just use this other indicator, because there are some indicators that you know, that don't bring out that option, while others actually bring out that option of allowing DLL imports. Okay, if you are getting an error message when adding the indicator, for example, okay, it seems like a lot of these indicators do not require DLL imports, but this particular one, all right, let's try this out. Okay, wow, custom moving average. Okay, let's just go back to Heikin-Ashi. Support resistance. All right, so you can see, so if your indicator is also displaying some faulty, you know, behavior, you can just ensure that if the option is there, make sure you check this box to allow DLL imports. Okay, make sure you check the box to allow DLL imports. That is if the option is there. All right, so following these troubleshooting steps should actually, you know, resolve your issues. All right, if the issue is not resolved still, then maybe you can just try downloading the indicator afresh from another site. It's possible that that particular indicator has an issue. Maybe the indicator is broken or something. Okay, so that is it, guys. Now you know how to install custom indicators on MT5 in just a few simple steps. With this knowledge, you can fully customize your trading platform and enhance your market analysis. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you need help with anything on MT5. Okay, that is it for this video, guys. Stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.